Hello everyone, in today's video we will go through how to copy and monitor different elements from linked Revit file. So this scenario is mostly useful in case like in different disciplines, like let's say I'm in structural discipline here or MEP, so I want to import or I want to link architectural Revit file to this one, so I can copy and monitor different elements from that one. So let's link a Revit file here. Go to Insert, select Link Revit file. Let's open this one. Link this one to here. Now the link is the Revit file is linked here, and at this time I want to copy and monitor elements from here. To do that, go to Collaborate tab here. Under Coordinate panel, go to Monitor, Copy Monitor. Click the drop down arrow here, select link. Now I can select the link here, and then this panel will pop up. So at this time I want to copy and monitor all the grids here. So to do that, click on copy and check multiple here. Now I can select all and I can filter only grids. Click OK. So now grids are selected. I can say finish, and the grids are copied and monitored. This symbol shows that is monitored. That means whenever on this file, on this original file, linked file is changed, here that change will appear. So now to make sure, let's hide the linked file. First I need to click and finish this copy monitoring. Let's hide this Revit file HH, so I temporary, and to see the grids are all copied. Actually, like this, I can copy elements from going to elevation, and I can copy and monitor labels here. So let's say already two labels are appeared. So for these two labels, I just need monitoring, not copy. So first I need to align this label to this one, and actually this one is lined up. So for this one, for these two labels, I just need monitoring, not copying. Not copy and monitor both. So go to Collaborate, copy monitoring, select link. I need to select this link, and here instead of clicking on copy, I just need to click on monitor. And here first I need to click the original one to the second one that I need to go for monitoring. So here the symbol is appeared, and likewise I can do for this one. First select this label and then this one, and this symbol will appear. So for these other labels, I just need copy and monitor. So at this time I might not need to multiple, just selecting this one will be okay. So we go this one, and here this one is copied and monitored. Let's finish and hide this linked one to see if those labels are appeared like we want.